smash, smash!
Morning everybody, it is someday in late May, kind of lost track of the days now, and I got my quarantine hair rocking here, and I'm out on Lake Ontario today doing a little bit of salmon fishing. So today's story, it's a beautiful day. We've just had some serious northeast winds push through, and recently I've been fishing the bar and it was pretty good. So we're gonna see if these fish have moved at all. Sorry, it's a little bit jumpy there. Yeah, that's the plan. Just by myself today, got a lot of friends out around me, so staying as safe as possible here with social distancing in effect, but also, you know, the water's cold right now, so we gotta be really careful out here. Anyways guys, that's enough blabbing. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for stopping by. It's a beautiful fish, holy smokes. I way underestimated the size. Okay, spot number 2, just got a call from Danny and he said it's firing over here, so we're gonna give it our best shot. As eager as I am to get in the water, I wanted to show you guys this, and it looks lit. Can't wait to get this rigger in the water.
my god!
That is a big spring king.
Oh my goodness! Oh, that's huge! Wow!
Oh yeah! Spring 2020, are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Holy smokes! Spring 2020, baby! Woo! What a tank! Just like that, true blessing. I didn't think it was that big until I saw it. Woo! I think it's like 26 pounds or something. Oh my god.
This is a Brian Little production.
Guys, the fishing can be this good. It's crazy. Beautiful salmon. Lake Ontario doesn't get any better than this. See you later. Great way to get a workout. Beauty Lake O salmon. Woo. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the latest clip. I know it was a lot of fun making this video as the action out on Lake Ontario was just incredible. As we enter the end of May, salmon fishing continues to be good out there on the lake. We've got lots of things happening in the region, and I hope in the very near future I'll be able to start booking trips again. If you're interested in getting out with me, you can also visit my website, www.hookedonniagara.com. There I have all an information about trips, sort of what's included, what's going on, and all the different trips that I offer. Thanks again so much for watching. Get outside and go fishing.